Hello, friends. Today I'm going to read a short little story to you, and I hope you enjoy it. It involves animals, and it is a very big book. So there's going to be a lot of animals in here, and the title of our book is called Animal Babies. Now remember, friends, this is our cover page. We have a lion on the cover of our book. Animal Babies. Now, do you know what animal this is, friends? It is a duck. I think you knew that one, friends. You guys are very, very smart. Now let's begin our story. I have big ears and a long nose called a trunk. I use my trunk to spray myself with water. Who is my mommy? Now, who do you think is the mommy of this animal, friends? Let's see who it is. My mommy is an elephant, and I am her calf. When it is hot, my mommy and I walk to the river. We like to play in the water to stay cool. Now that's very nice. So right here, friends, the mommy is called an elephant, and the baby elephant, we call them calves. Oh, this is our next animal. Let's see what it says for this animal. See? Okay. I have big red eyes, and I make loud croaking noises that keep other animals awake at night. Who is my mommy? Now, who is this animal's mommy, friends? Let's see who it is. I think you guys know. Look at this. It is a very beautiful family. Now, if we don't know what animals they are, I will tell you, friends. My mommy is a frog, and I am her baby. We sit on water lilies and wait to zap insects with our long, sticky tongues. So they use their tongues, friends. They're very, very long and very, very sticky. And that's how they get their food. They eat insects. So they might eat flies. That's an insect that they might eat. We have a big, big bear. It's a white bear. I wonder what kind of bear it is. Do you know, friends, what kind of bear this is? If we don't know, I will tell you right now. I am the biggest of all of the polar animals. I have thick, white fur that keeps me warm. Who is my mommy? I don't know who the mommy is. Let's find out. Let's see who it is. My mommy is a polar bear, and I am her cub. In the winter, we sleep in a den under the snow. So the mommy is a polar bear, and the baby polar bear is called a cub. All right, let's see which one is the next animal. Oh, do you know this animal, friends? Let's find out. When I am older, I will roar so loudly that you will be able to hear me from far away. Who is my mommy? Who is this animal's mommy, friends? Do you know? Let's see who it is. My mommy is a lion, and I am her cub. I play with my mommy when she is not hunting for our food. Now, do you think that's nice, friends? That the mommy lion gives food to the lion cub? I think that's very good of her because that way the baby lion can stay healthy and it can grow up to be very strong just like her mommy. Look how beautiful the mommy lion is. She's very strong. My gray feathers are very soft and fluffy. When I am older, they will be as white as snow. Who is my mommy? Can you take a guess who is the mommy, friends, of this animal? Let's see. My mommy is a swan, and I am her Zionist. We like to sit in our nest. It is made from small twigs and reeds. So they make their nest, friends, with small little sticks. Those are twigs. And this right here, friends, is a swan. Look how beautiful this animal is. We have the baby right here. And when it grows up to be as big as mommy, it's gonna look just like this. So big, with a very long neck and the beak. It is black for the baby, but when it grows up to be like mommy and grows up, it's gonna change maybe to orange. Let's see. My mommy has a pouch on her belly. When I am cold, I sit in the pouch to stay warm. Who is my mommy? Now, who is the mommy of this animal? Oh. Do you know? Let's find out. Ah, look at this, friends. It's a kangaroo and their baby kangaroo. Do you know what we call a baby kangaroo? They have a name. If you don't know, they are called a joey. Let's see. My mommy is a kangaroo and I am her joey. Walking takes too long, so we hop very quickly from place to place. So remember, kangaroos like to hop around everywhere they go. I think that's the fastest way that they move. Okay. My tail is like a paintbrush. It swishes from side to side to keep the flies off my black and white stripes. Who is my mommy? Black and white stripes. Who do you think is the mommy of this animal, of this baby animal? I think I have a good idea. Let's see. My mommy is a zebra and I am her foal. We like to stand under the trees and eat grass. So the mommy right over here is a zebra. And a baby zebra, we call them a foal. I have the longest neck of all animals. It helps me reach leaves on the tops of very tall trees. Who is my mommy? Do you know an animal that has a very, very long neck? I think that might be the mommy of this animal. Let's see. There we go. A big giraffe. Mommy giraffe. My mommy is a giraffe, and I am her calf. When I was born, my spots were pale. When I am older, they will be as dark as my mom's. So if you look at the spots, friends, if you see them, the baby, the calf, their spots are very light. But if you look at mommy's spots, they're very dark. So when the little one grows up, he's going to be just like his mommy. Very dark spots. That's going to be very cool, very nice to see. Now, friends, I think that is the end of our book. And I want to tell you that my favorite animal, baby animal, I think it was the giraffe. I think it's very, very cool how their spots go from being very light to being dark just like their mommy. That was my favorite part. Now, what was your favorite baby animal that you saw in our book today? Okay, friends, it was very nice reading to you again, and I hope to see you very, very soon on Zoom. Bye-bye.